were some of the most controversial and talked about moments at the Grammys that have nothing to do with the awards. Taylor Swift and Cynthia Erivo recreated the holding space meme, and where was Ariana in this? Kanye West and Bianca Censori went viral because she didn't really wear anything, that's why. And they were both escorted out of the Grammys because they weren't even invited even though Kanye got nominated. Sabrina Carpenter was drinking out of a flask that matched her outfit. Pretty iconic if you ask me. These reporters went viral for cutting off Babyface to get an interview with Chapo Roan.
Interesting. You guys want to do this? Go to that.
They got a lot of backlash.